Righty, ladies and gentlemen, hello, it's Kelsey. We're here going to record, I think, like one of 5 demos I'm going to do. I'm going to record a demo with my custom agent Green Room 2.0. So excited to show you. The hell been going on. I'm kidding. All right, so let's pop on here real fast. All right, this is what the custom agent will look like. For time purposes, I already have my prompt up.
Hey, pal.
Copy, paste, and let's go. I can't wait for everybody to try this agent, though. For real, for real. Like, are we seeing this? Let's say we lost 2 days of straight play. Let's say straight play. Straight play. Uh-oh, we gotta allow. Straight play. Money talks. Money talks. Let's say you have tons. We're right here. I'm sorry, I'm not like talking through this, but let's just say we're right here. It says, tell me whether the lost days were early or late tech. The lost days were early tech, and we had to shift a moderate amount of scenes. Okay, this aspect of Green Room, it kind of helps you focus on what you need to focus on. Like, obviously, you can do this with your stage manager, but in the off chance that you can't, or you just want like really, really precise efforts, like what to do, what not to do, this is perfect. Like, this is the perfect run. You see, how many text calls do you still have before audience? I have about 4 tech calls before audience. Let's go ahead and wrap this up with clear next steps. Money talks. Money talks. Ooh. At the end of your next tech call, you want to be able to say all shifts are assigned, spiked, and rehearsed at speed at least once, and we have completed one stop run. Period. Okay. So if you are doing the which was it? Product timeline, because there's 5 modes. This is product timeline mode. And so it's really focusing on safety, crew. Wow, I love this. I love that I made this. Okay. So this is demo 1.